Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will present and explain about my community service in Yogyakarta. So, let me show the PPT first. Okay, so this is the title of my community service, Digital Financial Literacy Socialization for Aisyah PRA Pangungharjo 3, Sewon, Bantul. So I'm Senja Yustitia as a team leader, and then we have three team member, Firly Anissa from Magister Program Media and Communication Studies, and then Sukirido from Islamic Communication and Broadcasting Department, and the last is Denis Hida Lutfiana Stefani from Communication Department, Faculty of Social and Political Sciences. Okay, so the schema of the community service is PPM Muhammadiyah and Aisyah. So this is the background why we do this community service. Aisyah PRA Pangungharjo 3 Sewon, Bantul is an institution that care about the condition of the community. Yeah, mainly because the digital finance issue seriously impact on the society. And also we as a community service team has a similar concern, especially because the situation is closely related to the digital revolution, which is the characteristic by the swift of the flow of the information. And case of the people being dependent and deceived by online loans, illegal investment scam, and other scam causes by the people ignorant and the low of the knowledge of digital finance are increasing from time to time. So the objective of this activity is to concentrate the burden of literacy not only on the government and NGO, but also on the mother or women who are important driver of the society. So the target of the community service is the knowledge of digital literacy and especially on the finance issue increase. And then they committed to transmitting the information to surrounding community, and the last is increase awareness will foster good care and prudence. So this is the three steps of methodology that we do on the community service. The first one is observation and planning. We discuss with all the member and also with the member of Aisyah Bantul to discuss and define the material and then the content of the socialization. And then the second one is implementation of the socialization. We all the team as the speaker, and also we bring expert, ya, Sri Rofiana. She is a Social Welfare Council PPICA and sociolog from Universitas Ahmad Dahlan. We bring Ibu Rofiana because the problem of the finance can impact on the other things such as domestic issue. And we, on the socialization, we explain the general description and we bring the data on the digital finance case. For example, we also explain about the mapping and the pattern in the some case in Indonesia, and then the characteristic of digital finance case, the preventive and post-incident step that has been taken, and so on. And in the end of the community service activity, we do evaluation. The evaluation step including the qualitative feedback tracking, and then we observe about the enthusiasm of the participant, and then we make a post-test to get more comprehensive data. So in the community service that held on the Musola Baitul Qadar Prancak Dukuh RT 04 Pangungharjo Sewon, Bantul, yeah, we explain about so many things, yeah. For example, the information and understanding about the many digital financial irregularities and crime, and then the pattern that often happen in Indonesia about this issue, and then the characteristic of digital finance case and the preventive, the step that can be taken by all the women, yeah, that invited to the community service. And we also do the question and answer session. The participant enthusiastically ask the question and engage the dialogue. The collaborator, Ibu Sri Rofiana, also uh, explain very well about the issue from the sociological perspective. And also we delivering donation to support dakwah activities for ICF member of PRA Panggung Harjo 3 Sewon Bantul. Okay, so one of our finding is so many case yeah about the digital and women issue in Aisyah PRA 3 Panggung Harjo that still need to be discussed and study further. So we plan to support for women empowerment topic yeah. We know this topic require other discipline, for example, politics, economics, and information technology. So maybe we will invited the other expert that related to the issue, and also we have planned to make the entrepreneurship community service, yeah, such as how to develop the UMKM that managed by women to be more develop on the promotion and marketing strategy. So this is our conclusion. The community service increase the participant knowledge and understanding of the socialization of digital financial literacy. Participants are committed to increasing understanding at the level of awareness to participate in monitoring the environment. And then the community service must be continue and deepen in other digital skill and capabilities to minimize potential vulnerabilities that happen in the future. So this is our program documentation, this is our activity, and then we also publish the activity into the news, and we also submit to the ICCS conference to explain and disseminate our activity. So thank you for all the participants that come to the ICCS. We also thanks to Allah and then LPM, UMY, and then ICIAH PRA Panggung Harjo 3 Sewon Bantul, all the team, all the member, and then uh, all the people that help us to manage the community service. UMY ada, masyarakat berdaya. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.